Basic objects. There are many basic objects available. Basic objects can be accessed from either menu bar or from toolbox available at left side. Editing styles. Two editing styles are available for editing human-machine interface application programs. You can do this either by Property Grid or by Graphical User Interface. Property Grid. For example, select the text object. On right-hand side, there's Property Grid. You can change properties for this text box from Property Grid as shown. Graphical User Interface Wizard. Just double-click text box, then it opens a wizard and you can change properties from here. It is very convenient to use Graphical User Interface style for editing projects.
Drawing objects are available. They include line, polygon, rectangle, ellipse and arc. These drawing objects support animation like move, change of size, etc. Line. Double-click on line, it will insert line into a screen. Alternatively, select the line and then drag on screen holding left-click and mouse. It will insert line into a screen. Select the line. When plus sign appears, double-click to open wizard to edit line properties. Select the required direction and click on OK now. Select the end of line holding mouse left-click, it changes to required direction automatically. If you want to do animation like move or change of size, make sure it is linked with analog type tag. Then, enable the required option and complete the setup. In runtime, if value of tag is changed, then, line will moves. Drawing objects support 32 bands. In each band, you can define required properties to display in runtime. For example, if value of tag is less than 50, show green color. If value of tag is more than 50, show red color. If value of tag is more than 90, disappear the line. Now, in runtime, if value of tag is changed, then, you can see different situations in the line.
Rectangle and ellipse. Other drawing objects like rectangle, ellipse, etc. also support 32-band animations similar to the line. They also support additional properties like forecolor, blink, etc., which can be configured in each band. In runtime, rectangle, ellipse, etc. behaves as per configuration and design time.
Table. It is to draw a table with defined number of rows and columns in design time. Just drag/drop table into screen. Double-click on table. Define number of rows and columns. This table object is very handy for the application engineers. They can easily create a table instead of using several lines.
Numeric data entry objects. Numeric data can be increased or decreased using number up-down object, or text box, or buttons. In design time, link analog tag with numeric up-down and text box. For buttons, it requires to define a function at click event.
Numeric data display objects. Numeric data can be displayed using digital LED, digital box, text box, label, etc. In design time, it requires to link analog type tag for all these objects. You can change properties like change of foreground color, background color, text font size, etc.
Bitlamp and word lamp. Bitlamp is to display different text messages for digital tags. Word lamp is to display different text messages for analog tag. These objects support good features like changing background color, blinking, etc. and support bands. For bitlamp, it should be linked with digital tag. Then, configure bands.
Button. Button can be configured to use a set or reset as shown. Button also can be configured as momentary signal as shown. Button can be configured to use for increase or decrease set point of external devices. Also, button can be configured for toggle function as shown. From basic objects, drag and drop button. Double-click on button. Configure bands and events. You can select many functions from here.
Date and time label, checkbox, combo box, list box, alarm banner and alarm blink. To display date and time. Checkbox is used for option selection. Combo box and list box is to select items from the list of options. Alarm banner, alarm blink objects are available. Alarm banner displays single-line latest alarm. If there is real-time alarm, alarm blink objects blinks in runtime.